Welcome. In this video I'll be talking about how to sum a column based on sign or value of numbers in Excel. When working with the data in Excel, you might encounter a situation where you need to sum numbers in a column based on a certain criteria, such as the sign, positive or negative, or specific values. Fortunately, Excel provides several functions that can help you achieve this with ease. So first we're going to start with summing positive numbers. So these are sign numbers. So to sum only positive numbers in a column, you can use the SUMIF function. Here's how. First, we select a cell where you want the result to appear. Then we enter the formula SUMIF, and then the range of the column, and then greater than 0. This formula sums all the numbers in column A that are greater than 0, effectively adding up only the positive numbers. So let's look at some examples. So here I have Excel and I have some values here on column A, and then I want to sum up only the positive values. So what do? I do like this: sum if, and then we're gonna do the range is gonna be A3. It's gonna be we're gonna do A3 to A53, and then we're gonna say greater than 0 in quotes, in quotation marks. And of course this has to be a function, so we have to put an equal sign behind it, so it says 153. So if we add up all the positive values here, we should be getting 153. Now let's go to the negative numbers. To sum only the negative numbers, you can modify the SUMIF function. So we do SUMIF, and then we do the range, and then we do less than 0. This formula sums all the numbers in column A that are less than 0, which it means it adds up only the negative numbers. So let's look at the example. So now we're going to modify, and we're going to say less than 0. And of course we should be getting a negative number, and we get negative 56. Now we're going to sum based on specific values. If you need to sum numbers that match a specific value or a set of values, you can also use the SUMIF function, or its more powerful sibling SUMIFs. So let's say you wanna sum based on a single value. You do SUMIF, and then you do the range, and then you put equals 5, because we're gonna sum up all the 5s in that column. So let's see how we can do that. So in this case I have all the 5s, so there are only 3 5s. So we should be getting 15. So let's put equals 15, and let's see what we get. We should get 15. I'm sorry, equals 5. I'm sorry, equals 5, and then we should get 15. And there we have it. We get 15. Now we're going to sum based on multiple values. If you need to sum numbers that match multiple specific values, you can use an array formula with sum and each number match. So first we do the following. We do the following formula: sum, then SUMIF, and then the range, and then we in this will be the array. So the array contains all the values that we want to sum up from the column. So this formula sums all the numbers in column A that are either 5, 10, or 15. Let's look at that example. So here I'm gonna sum up 5. I have 3 5s, and I have 3 9s and 3 10s, because I see here 1 9, 1 10, and I have 2 at the bottom for each. 9 and 9, 10 and 10. So it should be, the answer should be 72. Let's see. So we're gonna do sum, and then we're gonna close it, and then then we're gonna say in curly braces we're gonna do 5, 9, 10. And there we got it. We got 72. That should be the correct value. for the sum of all the 5s, 9s, and 10s in this column. So this is how the formula looks. Sum if, and then the range, and then in curly braces we put 5, 9, and 10. So by using these methods and functions, you can effectively manage and analyze your data in Excel, ensuring that you can sum numbers based on various criteria with ease. So I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe.